Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are doing a Maui vlog today and we are staying at the Westin. These gorgeous villas on Maui. This is my first time to Maui. I live on Oahu for those of you guys who don't know. I'm gonna give you guys a quick hotel tour and then enjoy our fun little 2-day adventure, 2-night, 3.5-day adventure here on Maui. Alright, so we just finished, and since we have this kitchen, we want to take advantage of it. And so we made some scrambled eggs, and we have a bunch of fruit. We have raspberries, strawberries, and bananas. And then we have a apple cinnamon oatmeal. And so now we are going to go out and enjoy it on our lanai. Welcome to my hotel room. That's creepy. Okay, come on in. I'll show you guys. This surprised me. I did not know. Honestly, I wasn't like doing a lot of research before we got here. This was booked by our friends. It's Brandon's birthday, so they booked all of this, and it's probably like one of the nicest places I've stayed. I want to show you guys. There's this whole kitchenette area here. We have this like island. We have stainless steel appliances, like the oven, the stovetop, everything. We made breakfast this morning. It was so good. And then we were able to stay healthy and go to the gym and do all the stuff that we're trying to do to stay on track. One of the cool things about this hotel is that if you don't have gym clothes, for $5, I believe you can rent. I'm assuming rent, because $5 is really cheap. There's like Reebok clothes and like shoes and everything. So you can go down there. The gym is not huge, but they have a room with a bunch of treadmills. They have ellipticals. They have some good stuff. But anyways, over here they have the entertainment center, and it's got this sound bar. So you can play really loud music, and when we're walking in the hall, the people next to us were pretty loud. We could hear them, but like when we're in here, we can't hear anything. So I think the rooms are pretty soundproof. And so we have like this whole like loungy area, super comfy, cozy. It's really windy out here, but I'm gonna show you guys the lanai. And it's so cool. There's a table out here for 6 people. Like, just like come out and hang out and play cards. Yeah. And then, I mean, this view is stunning. But this, I don't know, check it out. like way too much space for 2 people, but I'm gonna enjoy it. I love it. And this is the 1 bedroom. Our friend's got a 2 bedroom, so on that side, if you just want to pan the camera over there. If you're on this side, like theirs is set up the same, but the master bedroom is that way, and then this is the 2nd bedroom. Nice bed, beautiful view, spacious room, all the nice things. In the closet, this is pretty nice too. They have everything you need, a safe in the corner. Yeah, pretty cool. And then the bathroom, this is a handicap accessible room. So other ones have bathtubs, but this one has just a walk-in shower. And this, a washer and dryer. So we already have our dirty clothes in there. We're just gonna wash them before we leave and then put them back when we get home. So that's so handy. But yeah, check out the bathroom. Just a bathroom, but it's nice and big and luxurious. That is the hotel tour. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and get some video of like around. We are gonna head out now and we're gonna go explore Maui. Tonight what we wanna do is go to Haleakala and we're going to drive up and see the sunset from, I don't know the elevation, but it's pretty high. And it's gonna be really cool. Actually, there's another video on my channel where we went to the top of Mauna Kea and watched the sunset up there. It's gonna be freezing. I think it's gonna be like 30 some degrees up there. So I'm really excited about that. And the stars are so clear. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And if you guys ever have the opportunity to stay here, this is bomb.com. How was it?
It was really nice.
Making the walk back down. Kind of seems like another planet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think Mauna Kea looks more like Mars. But this is really cool. This one is 10,000 feet and Mauna Kea is 13,800 feet. So it's not as cold, but it's So worth coming up here.
Okay, yeah, I remember now.
We are just exploring out here on the road to Hana. This is one of the pull-offs that you can see, like super gorgeous scenery. And down the way there's like, I don't know if it's a house or what it is, but there's signs for like getting peanut brittle and banana bread and things like that. So this is our last day before we go to the airport and we're just checking all of it out. Super pretty. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and you guys can subscribe. Got a lot of cool stuff coming this year. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.